This is the Mercedes 407D project. As you can see, it's got extensive welding to be done. All around the bottoms, all around the windscreen is doing, or windows doing, usual grills and arches. Squeeze down this gap, it's a bit tight down here. This side's actually worse. Nothing's actually properly attached anymore. Actually inside. Inside all the steps need doing, inner arches need doing. Floor needs doing. And the rear end is destroyed. This was a field find of supposedly 10 years, but I think a lot longer than 10 years. It's actually running the 508 running gear, so it's an OM 314 engine, I believe, 3.8 diesel. It was a non-runner when I got it. I'll try getting it running. I have now got it running for a short period, but there's electrical burning going from the alternator, so I need to disconnect that. The reason it was a non-runner was all of these fuses under here had rotted out, so I changed all the fuses, bled the diesel up, and it fired straight up. All the throttle linkage and everything's obviously seized at the moment. It was a camper. The guy that owned it before me said he used to live in it, and then it got parked up in a field and left. And it's not watertight, completely destroyed inside. It's had animals and creatures eating everything. Everything's rotten. So the plan with this at the moment, this is just an intro, is to strip the whole thing to a better shell again, get it running and driving properly. It's got a roof off of an old LT on it at the moment, very badly. That's going to be coming off and I'll make my own roof. Get it back to a camper. And me and the girlfriend are going to be doing the North Coast 500 run in it. It's planned for this planned for this August, at the end of August, and we are currently February. So yeah, a hell of a lot of work needs to be done, and I can only work Sundays on it due to working during the week. So it's going to have new panels from this swage line down all the way around. I'll be making the panels myself. New roof, although you can see how bad it's been fiberglass. I've already changed the wheels this side to the slightly later model, because the original wheels have these ring locks on, which I'm not a fan of. So far all I've done is change the free wheels and started chucking some of the stuff away inside. The roof on top is going to be coming off, and I'm going to make my own frame and my own aluminium roof right to the front, so it can have a bed over the cab. That's it for now.